Hey guys, what is going on? It is your boy SoloTripper here, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a report menu for your realms or your worlds or whatever you guys are using this for. Now, this report menu, the way a player would make a report is they would click on the Make a Report button, and the way that admins would view reports is they would click on the View Reports. Now, if you wasn't an admin, so if I was to tag at S and remove the admin tag, players would just see welcome to the report menu, make a report, or exit. But let's pretend we are a player and let's make a report. So let's click on make a report just like that, and inside of here it says bug report or player report. It says what type of bug would you like to make. So let's make a bug report, for example, and let's make a dupe bug. And let's just say that you can dupe using cactus, for example. And then we say tick this to say that we are happy to give our username to the admins so they can see who reported it. And then we click on submit. Now that will get sent to the admins and put inside of the database. Now the way a admin would see that and review it is if they have the tag admin, they will see a View Reports button. Now, if we click on View Reports, you guys can see if we click on Bug Reports, you'll see that now we have a bug report from SIW Solus. So if we click on that, and we see that it's report number 1 that he has made, because a player can make up to 3 different reports at one time. Now, the reason that it caps at 3 is because if too many are on the database, it can cause issues like crashing and stuff. But with the way that this is set up, you should never run into that issue, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But if we click on this, which is his first report, we'll click on it, and we'll see that report details you can dupe using cactus. The report name was dupe, and we can see that time remaining is 23 hours and 56 minutes. Now that time remaining is when that reaches 0, 24 hours after a report has been made by that player. It doesn't matter if another player makes it in 2 hours from now, it will be 24 hours from that player. Okay, so if I was to make a bug report now, just like I did, this report will get deleted in 23 hours and 56 minutes. But if a player made a report in 20 hours from now, that player's report will get deleted 24 hours from when they made it. So the report will get deleted 24 hours after they made the report. Okay, so moving on, we can see reported by SIW Solus. I'll also show you how to change this if you want to put it up to 48 hours or whatever you guys want to change it as. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend leaving this as 24 hours if you have a lot of players on your realm or your world, because like I said, it can fill the database up real quickly and that can cause issues. But if you keep it the way it is on 24 hours, you guys should have no issues whatsoever. But if we was to click on leave feedback and we say thank you for sharing or whatever, and we have fixed the dupe bug and we're leaving feedback now, we can say, are you sure of this comment? Yes, I am, and we'll click submit. Now that has deleted the report, so the report is no more on the database. It's no more on the database. It's gone. It's been deleted because it's been sorted, right? But it also said to the player that it said SIW Solus, which is me, says the report you have submitted has been seen and sorted by the admins. The comment they left is thanks. So comment left thanks, which is what I put in the form that you guys seen. Now, if we go to view reports now, and we click on bug reports, you guys can see there's no bug reports from players. The same thing will go if the player is making a report to a player. So if we click on player report, you guys can see that we can type in the player's gamer tag. It doesn't matter who it is, but let's go and report the BOSS9345, just like so. For example, you can put anything here, Steve, Herobrine, anyone's gamer tag, anything. You can put anything here, and select the reason for the report. So we'll pick a reason, and this is where all of these different reasons come up. So we're just going to say advertising, and it's not required, but we can give more information on the report if we wanted to. So let's just give some more information and click yes, because we are okay with the admin seeing who reported this. If they was to click no, or if they was to not type in a game tag and then click submit, you guys will see it'll open up and it will say a report not sent as you did not confirm. And it'll keep opening it, just say that the report isn't sent. This happens as well if they mess up on the bug report. But let's just type in this now, pick a reason, rule breaking, and give a little bit of a description and say, are you sure? Yes, I am, and click submit. And as you guys can see, it says your report has been sent to the admins and will be seen to shortly. Now, the exact same thing will occur when an admin goes on to view reports and clicks on player reports. As you guys can see, SIW Solus has made a report, so we'll click on that and we'll see what has he reported. He's reported a rule breaking. So rule breaking, so someone's rule breaking. Let's see who it is and what the report is about. So we'll click on that. And as you guys can see, it says reported player, and it will tell them who they, the player that they put in. So in this case, it's this. And reported for rule breaking, and the report details was this. So you guys can put where they can put whatever they want there and whatever they want there. And that'll tell you what the rule they broke is. Now, this is the exact same time remaining before this automatically gets deleted is 23 hours and 52 minutes. So we can now leave feedback and we can tell them whatever we want. We've sorted it. We've banned the player, kicked him, whatever. Are you sure of this comment? Yes, I am. Click submit. And as you guys can see, it now says that in the chat, SIW Solus, the report you submitted has been sent and sorted by the admins. Comment left. Has been seen and sorted by the admins. Comment left, and that's the comment. And as you can see, the report has been submitted to the database, which means the report has now been deleted. Now, players do not see the report has been submitted to the database. Only the admin who left the feedback will see that. And again, if we go onto this and click on view reports, you guys can see that player reports, no one is there. And we can click on bug reports and no one is there because no one's made them and I've sorted both of them. So that is the report menu. Let me show you guys how you can put this into your pack now. So guys, go to the link down in the description below. You will see two GitHub pages. You will see my GitHub and you'll also see the BOSS9345's GitHub as well. Please go and give the BOSS9345 a star and give me a star. This pack would not be possible without him because he has helped me with 95% of the things on the report system. So please do go and give him a star on the GitHub as well, and also say thanks to him in the comments down below if this report system has helped you. But when you go to my GitHub, you can go to the repositories and you will see video pack. So click on video pack. The link should automatically take you to this video pack anyway. But when you get here, you guys are going to click on video pack. And now I'm going to click on scripts. And you guys are going to need 3 things from here to make the report system work. So what we need is we need the database, the functions, and we also need the report system itself. Now the reason why you need the database, this database is a public database made by the BOSS9345. It's his database. But the reason why we need this is to store player report systems. And we also need the functions. And again, there's a timer system inside of here. And that was made by the BOSS9345. And his timer system is really nice. It's small, it's compact, and it can be used in any sort of timer system. It's also used in the daily reward system. I've got a video on that inside of the playlist that you're watching now. But yeah, so what we need is we need the database. So we're going to click on database. I'm going to click on index.js. Now the way that this is set up is the way you need to set this up inside of your pack. Okay, so if we just open up Visual Studio Code right now, we're going to start from the entry file because we'll need to come back here later on. So let me just get rid of these. You'll need to come back here later on. But if we go to scripts and we right click this, we're going to click on new folder. Now the new folder we need is database. Now you can add this in any of your packs that have script API enabled. So you'll know if it's a script API pack if you just come to the manifest and you'll see entry scripts and your index folder or your main.js, your entry file inside of your scripts folder. But once you've made database, you're going to right click on database and click on new file. Then you're going to type in index.js, just like that. Then you're going to go back to the GitHub and you're going to click on this little button right here that says copy raw file. Once you do that, you're going to now put that inside of your database index.js. Now, all of the green writing that you see will explain the database to you. So if you want to go ahead and learn this database, you guys can read all of these comments and it will explain how the database works. Now we're going to go back to our GitHub and we're going to click on scripts. Now we need a functions folder. So let's go to our pack, Visual Studio. We're going to close database and we're going to right click on scripts now. We're going to click on new folder. Now inside of here, we need functions. So let's do that. And as you guys can see, it was all lowercase in the GitHub. So that is what we're going to do inside of the pack. Now inside of functions, we need to go inside of here and make an index.js, as you guys can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to functions, right click, we're going to click on new file. I'm going to type in index.js. I'm going to click enter. Now we're going to go back to the GitHub and we are going to click on the same button, copy raw file, this time inside of the index.js inside of functions. And now we're going to do it the exact same thing as before. We're going to paste that in. Now this is just the little timer system. If you've already got a functions folder inside of your video pack, if you're following along, you guys will notice that we already have this. This is the updated functions. Please do go ahead and re-download the video pack if you are following along. You can download it from the GitHub so you get the updated version of the daily reward system. This pack will be updated on the GitHub every single time I make a video. So this is how videos are going to be from now on, this style of videos. But anyway, moving back to the player report system. Now, once you've done your functions and your database, making sure you have saved every single one of them, we are now going to right click on scripts, click on new folder, and we are going to type in report system, just like that, report system, and press enter. And inside the report system, we're going to right click, click on new file, and I'm going to type in index.js. Then you're going to go back to the GitHub and you're going to go to the report system and you're going to get the index.js and you're going to copy it by clicking the copy raw file. Then we're going to go back to Visual Studio Code and we're going to paste that in. Now, if you guys want to look through this, it's got a lot of customizability, especially in the configuration. So if you guys do want to up the time on this, you guys can then set this to 2 days, but I recommend not going past 2 days. So if you have a really busy server, a load of reports are coming in, leave it as 1. But if you have to, say you have a small admin team or it's just you on the admin team and you can't get to every single report inside of them 24 hours, then set it to 2 days max. I would not go higher than this. It can cause problems. It can cause the database to crash, like I said. But that right there is how you change the time on when reports get deleted. As you guys can see, it says here, default reporting time, 24 hours. Now, this pack is fully being explained inside of these comments. The green things that you see with 2 forward slashes, these are comments. This will explain the pack and what that line below it does. For example, we'll just pick a random one. Updates the report player data in the database. That's what this line does. And it is correct. It is. It's saying the database.set report player json.stringify old data. And that is what it's doing. So you guys can look through this and learn a lot, because this will explain everything. And this is how my packs are going to be from now on. So instead of me explaining them, you guys don't have to just keep on rewatching the video. You can just download the pack and get straight to reading it yourself and messing around with it and changing it and all that sort of stuff. Another thing that you guys can change is the leave menu button. So when people close the menu, you can just say menu closed, or you can change it, or whatever you guys want to do. And then inside of the report options, this is what you guys will change. So if you guys don't think that advertising is you know, if advertising is allowed in your server, for example, you guys can just get rid of this line, boom, and now when you actually open up the report a player, advertising won't be there as an option on the drop-down. Or you guys can add things to this if you guys really wanted to by pressing enter and just putting it under any line. But if you put it under this line right here, just make sure to put a little that for every single one that you do. So say like I just added other, do that and then enter and then add another one. So I added another one, for example, I would put this at the end. Just like these here, just put a comma at the end so it knows to go down. Otherwise, you're going to get some errors. But as you guys can see, it shows even here, admin tag for admin players. It shows everything. But guys, if you look at this right here where it says Minecraft Compass, that is the item that opens the report menu. You guys can change that to whatever you guys want. So you can change it to Minecraft Emerald or a custom item, I don't know, Soulless, Report. Whatever you guys want, you can change that to any item you guys want in the game, and that will then become the item that opens the menu when the player right-clicks or press LT on the item, tries to interact with the item. But yeah, now you do need to import this file inside of your index.js or your main.js, your entry file. And again, you can find your entry file if you go to your manifest. You'll see scripts and main.js next to entry. So we're going to go to our main.js and we are going to now import the thing that we need. So which is going to be the report system. So we'll type in import space. Then in quotation marks, we're going to type a full stop, then a /, and you guys should see right here, it says report system. Then you're going to type a / again, and it should say index.js. Save, just like that, and now everything is going to work. Now, the reason why you don't need to import the functions or the database is because those have been imported right here inside of the report menu. Now, the reason why they're being imported inside of the report menu is because the database is used inside of here, and also the functions is used inside of here, so we import it inside of the report system. Now, if this was too hard for you or if it's not working, you guys can just go to the GitHub, go to video pack, click on code and click download zip, and you guys will already get it. You'll get this video pack just like that. You'll get the node modules for Minecraft, scripts, manifest, all that. Go into the scripts and you guys can obviously just use this straight off the bat. Go ahead and look at all of the code if you want to. You guys can do that. Again, this pack will be updated every single time a new video comes out. This pack should be updated at most 24 hours before the video comes out, or anything like that. This pack will stay up to date. If an update comes out for Minecraft, the manifest will be updated. Everything will be updated, guys, including the node modules inside of there as well. Just like these node modules for Minecraft, they will even be updated as well. So everything will be updated. But yeah, give me a star. Give the BOSS9345 a star as well, because the boss made this possible with this script. He's an amazing scripter. He knows a lot about JSON and JavaScript and all sorts like that. So yeah, go and show his GitHub some love, and you'll also find some interesting packs inside of his GitHub as well. The database is owned by the boss, so yeah, go and give him some love on his GitHub by giving him a star. And anyway, guys, that's it. So now you've imported it inside of your pack. You guys can just go back to Minecraft, start up the world, make sure the pack is on there as well. Start the world, grab yourself a compass or whatever you guys have, and when you right click it, it will open up the report menu. So let me just go back to the main.js and save this. Make sure I've got everything saved, because for some reason it's not working. There we go. Save. Everything's saved now. So we'll do a / reload, just like so. And as you guys can see, it saves report menu and everything like that. So like I said, to get view reports, just one more time. To view reports, you will need the tag admin for view reports to pop up. If you don't have the tag, view reports will not pop up. So just make sure about that, guys. Just make sure that you have the tag if you are going to be reviewing reports and giving feedback on them. Just make sure you have that. But anyway, guys, it's me, boy Soulless. I know this has been a different type of style video, and it's a bit lengthy as well. But anyway, guys, if you do enjoy this new video format where we explain it all inside of notes and just shove it all in the GitHub for you and everything is there, then please do leave a like on this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. It's free, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. It will make my day if you guys could do that. And also leave a comment for future script video ideas. So if you want to see something else that you want a video on, then just leave it in the comments down below. I do read the comments. I do actively respond to them as well. So please do leave a comment if you want your comment to be seen. I will read it, and I will probably heart it and like it as well. But anyway, guys, it's B-Boy Soulless. Peace.